Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I have yet another component to unbox today on my channel. This is the brain of the computer. As you know guys, I am going to create an amazing astrophotography image processing rig with all the processing powers that I can have. Today I have on this video unboxing of this Intel Core 11th Gen i5 processor. I have done an unboxing of a lot of other components before. I will put the link in the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, this is the brain of the computer. Everything is built around this processor. So ensure that you select the correct processor. Today I have an i5 Intel Core processor. This is 11th gen and it is supported by LGA1200 socket. So ensure that whatever motherboard that you select is compatible with 11th gen and also it is compatible with LGA1200 socket. So any other socket or any other generation which your motherboard do not support, your processor will not be able to be compatible with it. So ensure that you select the correct processor based on the motherboard that you have selected. So today I will be doing an unboxing. So let us see what is there on the top of the box first, and then we'll see what is there inside. So on the top of the box you see it says i5 processor. It is made by Intel Core. It is 11th gen processor and the compatible socket for it is LGA1200. So this is there on the top. Let us see on the side what it has to mention. It says Intel i5-11400. That means the first two digits means that it is 11th gen. It is base clock frequency is 2.6 GHz. It has 12 MB cache and it has a compatible socket of LGA1200. Rest all there are some product code and barcodes. Nothing to worry about. So base clock frequency here, which is very important thing to know, is 2.6 GHz, but then it has a throttle frequency of up to 4.9 to 5 GHz as well. So this is the base clock frequency that you have. Let us see on the back what it has to say. On the back it says the content of the box. The content of the box is Intel processor with the thermal solution. So it comes along with the thermal fan or cooling fan that is compatible with your processor. And there are some 3 years warranty and then important processor manufacturing motherboard information. If you want you can go through it. I will leave it for you guys to check it out. On this side it has nothing more, just the barcode. It says that it is 65 watt processor. So this is the power which is consumed by your processor and there is nothing more. So it is made by Intel. So on the top view you can see the processor itself. There is little cut on the top which will show that it has a processor. You can verify there are few markings on the processor as well. It says Intel Core i5, which is i5-11400. So it is 11th gen. And it is SRKP0 2.6 GHz. So it has a base clock frequency of 2.6 GHz and it is X1113 576. This is the base architecture, nothing to worry about. So this is what you have on the box. On the back you have some of the safety instructions and guidelines. If you want you can go through it. So this is it. This is what you get on the top of the box. Now let us open the box and see what it has to offer. So there is a seal. There is a seal on the sides as well. So this is it guys. This is what it looks like when you open the box. So there is another cardboard box, I guess. We'll take this out. So there is nothing more on the top cover, so let's keep that aside. So here you can see it comes in another cardboard box and there is a instruction manual as well for Core i5. So if you want you can go through it. I will be doing another video in which I will be telling you guys how to correctly install your processor on your motherboard. Please ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on any future videos that I have to share. So I will keep this instruction manual aside for now. So this is the box that it comes in. This is a cardboard box which is nicely packed. So let us open and see what is there inside. So first thing that you will see is the cooling solution itself. On the top you have the thermal paste, so ensure that you do not touch it if you want to use it with your processor, so it stays secured. So this is the cooling fan that it comes with. On the top side you have the fan and an Intel logo. There are 4 patches that will be attached to your motherboard so that it is secured on top of your motherboard. So this is the cooling fan that it comes with. So let's keep that aside. So now let us see the processor itself. So on the side you can see this is the processor itself that it comes with. It is nicely packed in this plastic package. Important thing that you can see here is on the top you have few markings, as I told before. It is Intel Core i5 with 11400, which means it is 11th gen microprocessor. So this is it, guys. This is what you have on the box. So let us see one by one what it has to offer. So let us see with the cooling fan first. So it is an thermal cooling solution. As you can see, it is perforated and it has dents at the bottom so that your heat can be absorbed by this center copper plate, and then that heat is dissipated with this large cooler that it has, and it has a fan on the top which runs with high speed so that whenever that heat is generated by the processor, it is thrown out and your processor stays cool. So you can see there it comes with the connecting wire as well. This is the wire that goes on to the motherboard that powers this cooling fan and also controls the speed of this fan as and when required. And then it has 4 legs that goes on to your motherboard, that attaches to your motherboard and stays secure. And then there is a lock. You can twist it and lock it on the motherboard so that it does not move. And at the back you can see there is a thermal paste already applied to your cooling fan. So this is thermal paste is very important, guys, because this is the paste which gets applied on your processor as well. So what it does, it has thermal properties. It is not insulated or it is not like any other paste, so that it ensures that there is a good amount of heat transfer which happens between the processor and this thermal cooling solution that you have. So ensure that this thermal paste is not touched by hand so that it is not damaged, and you have proper thermal paste applied. It has enough thermal paste so that it makes a good connection between the processor head, which is there, this metal part on the top, and this thermal cooling solution. So this is the cooling solution that you have, and this is the processor itself. This is how it looks on the top. So on the top side it has a metal plate which gets in contact with this thermal cooling solution, as I told you before, and it dissipates all the heat which is generated by the processor, and it is cooled down with thermal cooling solution. Without this cooling fan, guys, your motherboard is not going to boot up. Ensure that this is connected properly and connected to the power socket on your motherboard properly for your processor, for your motherboard or your system to boot up. So on the top side you have this, and then I don't know if you can see on the right side corner there is a notch which is golden notch. When you install this processor on the motherboard, this notch has to be aligned with the notch on the socket. So ensure that you know this notch is present on the bottom left side of the processor. That is how you know that your processor is installed correctly. On the back side you can see there are a lot of pins. Don't worry about the pins, it will align automatically with the socket when you align the notch. Like I told you before, guys, I will be doing another video on how to correctly install the processor on the motherboard, so ensure that you stay tuned to my channel and watch that video. So this is it, guys. This is what I have to share for this processor unboxing. I hope you guys like this video and it was informative for you guys. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.